What's up, guys? I hope you guys are having a blessed day. I'm going to be going over how I made 200 something dollars. I think it's 50 something, 52. There's the P&L. Um, Here's the trade itself, but we'll skip after, I guess, like this move right here. Excuse me, sorry. So, obviously, in today, I was really looking for shorts just because there is just stacked liquidity, and I still think we're probably going to be a little bit more bearish going into this week still. Um, Unless if NASDAQ just wanted to make that move. I mean, obviously, we just have this low resistance liquidity, session low, session low. Um, And then also over here to the left, we also have that low resistance liquidity as well. Um, but yeah, the reason for this shorts, obviously, we have a V-shape long recovery. That was something that I was looking for too, because PMI came out and it was pretty good. It just, I didn't want to trade before PMI release, and I didn't want to trade after PMI release unless if the setup was super juicy, which it really wasn't, because look, this was the only V shape. Um, but yeah, ultimately, I was waiting and waiting and waiting for a 15-minute, just a tap in, right? And you see this tap in, we get more 15-minute, and I'm really just seeing, okay, later in the session, are we going to be bullish or bearish? We will probably be bullish if we break above this 15-minute fair value gap. And so that was what I was looking for. Obviously, I was looking at the 1 hour time frame to see, are we going to go higher, or is this just like a 1 hour order block? Which could be the case. Um, but yeah, I mean, sorry, I'm watching the Spurs game. What's the score? Holy shit, bro. Damn, bro. These. Ah, fuck, bro. Fuck the New York Knicks, bro. All right. So, what am I looking for now? I'm looking for that sweep. Boom, we get that sweep. So, lick sweep. We're clearly respecting the OTE of this range. And we clearly have these 15-minute lows right here, and we also have an unfilled 5 and 15-minute that eventually needs to get tapped into. So yes, this wasn't like the craziest, biggest trade where it was like a 100-point trade move. Um, and yeah, I was really surprised to see this 1 minute just completely reverse. So good thing I was only really targeting a 1-to-1 here. Um, Not like I mean, the trade was pretty decent. I can't really complain. I guess maybe I just feel weird or indifferent because it's like I normally take better displacement level trades. I thought we would just displace and rally, respect, and then just keep dumping. But I mean, you just see here, like we just chop, manipulate, 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 and then we distribute eventually. There we go. There, I mean, there's like the distribution. We don't go all the way to New York AM low, I don't think. Let's see. Oh, do we? Do we get? No. Maybe it was a SMT on ES or something like that. And then you just get a nice IFEG. Um, yeah. So that's the trade recap. Not much else to say. Hopefully you guys learned. And hopefully you guys maybe won today. It was pretty easy for short bias. It was just pretty hard to get an entry just because market just completely dumped. I was also looking at that IFEG straight into market open, but following my rules, not trading first 15 minutes into market open, so sat on my hands. So So, God bless you all, and I love y'all. Peace.